Okay, this is the Pelikan Souveran 405 silver white pin. We just got it in. It comes in a white box. The Pelikan logo on the side. You slide out the box on the inside. And you also have the Pelikan logo on the top of this box, and it's a lift top box. Got your pin in this nice white with the brown button with the logo on it here. It's an elastic closure to hold your pin inside. Okay, you have your information about Pelikan's lineup. And then you have a second pamphlet here with information about your warranty and some care information. So you want to save that stuff right here. So when you're ready to look at the pin, again, this is just elastic, so you just pull it around the side and open the tab top, and your pin's inside in a plastic sleeve just for protection. They'll always have this little plastic tag that just says the pin information. And this is your Pelikan Souveran 405 in silver white. This is just the latest addition to the really already popular Pelikan line. It is a fairly small fountain pen, and it's got a solid white resin cap, and the back end of the barrel matches it, but the majority of the barrel is the silver white striped material. The barrel is made of cellulose acetate that does have the signature double rings at the back of the barrel and on the cap. The cap does have a spring metal clip. You'll see the logo on the end of the cap. It's a screw-on cap. And you have your 14 karat gold nib, rhodonized to connect with the silver theme of this pin. Okay, and this is a piston filler fountain pen, and you operate the piston using the back end of the barrel. This is the latest addition to the Pelikan M405 line, and if you want more information, if you want to get one of your own, check it out at pinchley.com.